Alright, here we go. 2 boxes of totally certified. Just finished the prism portion. Portion. Put all these together. There we go. That's nice. That's nice. Prism cards. Alright. 2 totally certs. Good luck. Let's get that totally green. Totally certified, dude. Let's get this guy right here. Bam. Totally green auto. Sick. Take the totally green patch, too. Totally black. Kobe pack. I'm saying. Alright, we've got. Ooh, what is that? HRX! Oh, snap! Oh! Ah! Yes! Woo! I don't know. I'm putting. Oh, I don't know what it is. I don't know. I can't see what it is on the back. I'll put it face down right here. Oh, man. Alright, we got John Jenkins. Blue. John Jenkins blue auto for the Hawks. Wow. Number to 129 to say on the back. It says, bring Kobe Bryant, Kevin Durant, Kyrie Irving, and Anthony Davis are the possibilities on the back. Oh, boy. Who is it? Oh, fuck. That's what it says on the... Oh, look, it's got the Hornets logo. Is it him? It's got to be him. Right? Anthony Davis, HRX. Wow. Who's got him now? Masonmanor. Look at that. This is your repaint video trading card. I don't know if this is the autograph. I don't think it's an autograph one, but it doesn't freaking. It's still. I think it's just a video. I don't know what it is. Maybe I don't know. Non-auto. There you go. Sick. So freaking sweet. All right. There we go. HRX. Anthony Davis. Wow. Awesome. That's awesome. Congratulations to Masonmanor. Jeff Taylor for the Bobcats. That's pretty awesome, man. Congratulations. Yeah. Alright. Cool. First one I ever pulled that. Oh, this is Hornets colors too. Look at that. Eric Gordon. Eric Gordon, number to 49. Number to 49. Totally signatures. We're going to BT with an instant breakdown. Got a Karl Malone for the Jazz jersey. Sick. That's so awesome. Another Jazz. Another member of the Jazz, Al Jefferson. Mailman and Jefferman. Jefferson. No green? Jeez, weak. What a weak box. Luis Scola. Blue to, blue to 99 for the Rockets. The box was awful. Alright, moving on. Hopefully this one's got something in it. Getting excited over. Warriors. Need some Warriors. Kobe pack. Dang. Still chasing that green or black, man. Guaranteed green. Let's go. Still chasing. Where is he? Oh, it's blue. I thought it was black. I'm saying it's blue. Got me all excited. Kyrie Irving for the Cavs.
And gaming system.
Jersey. Kyrie. What the commercials doing on my freaking background here? Sorry. Gold. We got our first gold one. Good luck. He's got red shoes. That's all I know. Red shoes. Gold card. Guy's got red shoes. If your team doesn't have red, probably don't gonna get them. Drew Holiday for the Sixers. Number to 25. 14 out of 25. My first gold. For Lane, 2,800. Nice. And a Jimmer jersey for the Kings. Drew Holiday. Dang, HR mother effing X. That's sweet. Alright. There's a Lillard rookie right there for the Blazers guy. Brandon Jennings jersey for the Bucks. Jennings jersey. All right, so that's 3 jerseys now, right? Bang, bang, boom. Let's get our autographs. Huh? Come now. Harrison Barnes for the Warriors. Red version, number to 79. There's your Warrior. Nice. Harrison Barnes, red. Cargill man's excited. Oh my gosh, can you imagine? There's no way. It has to be card 20 this time. It has to be card 20. Oh, it's not. Ah, it's not even the same team. Completely off. I must have had too much tequila. Now my eyes are playing. Oh, see? Because he's got an old New Orleans, maybe? Jersey? I don't know. Gustavo. Hey, oh, that's the Magic. Colors throwing me off. Looking similar. I don't know. Sorry. We got a bonus hit in there. Anton Jameson. Thought it was going to be that dude. I can't remember the dude's name. Leslie. Old Leslie. Is that his name? Jeez. Levi? What's his name? Larry. Leonard. I don't know. Lavoy. No. Lavoy Allen for the Sixers. Lance. It's Lance. Lavoy Allen. Red. That is our second box. Totally cert. Well. Oh, there's a Kyrie red right there. Nice Kyrie red for Cavs. A big hit was the HRX Anthony Davis redemption. Super nice. And we got a nice Harrison Barnes. SP'd to 79 in the gold. So it's still chasing some emerald. Next time we visit the Totally Skirtified. Thanks for watching. We're going to do Absolute next and then finish off with Limited.